everyone. Today we are going to be learning about dimensional analysis. So in your Edmodo, go to the post that says dimensional analysis. We have the link for the reading, we have the practice questions, and we have the email that you send them to. So dimensional analysis is a way of converting between different types of units. So to do this, we take equal quantities and we use ratios, and we'll get more into that in the future. So 4 cups in the English measurement system, 4 cups equals 2 pints equals 1 quart equals 0.25 gallons. Now these are different numerical values, but they're the same quantity. Now we can do the same in the metric system. And because the metric system is based on units of 10, it makes it easy to convert between all these different quantities. So, how we use dimensional analysis in science is when we are converting from one type of unit to another, and we'll go through a sample problem with this. So one thing that isn't mentioned in this reading is how much a hectare is, and that's one of the questions that is on the practice. So a hectare is 10,000 meters squared. So, sample problem. How many seconds are in a day? So list the known quantities and plan the problem. So we know that in one day we have 24 hours. In an hour we have 60 minutes. In a minute we have 60 seconds. Okay, so we know all the equivalencies. And then we calculate. We are asking how many seconds are in a day. So we start off with 1 day. So to cancel out units, we want day on the top and the bottom. So 1 day, you multiply it by 24 hours in a day. Now we have hours on top. So day is going to cancel out because this counts as the top. So this day cancels out, this day cancels out. Now we have hours on top. So we need hours on the bottom. So we put 60 minutes per hour. So now hours are going to cancel out. Now we need to convert from minutes to seconds. So 60 seconds are in a minute. So we have minute on top, minute on bottom. Those are going to cancel out and we are left with seconds. All right, finally, you multiply them all together, 24 times 60 times 60, you get 86,400 seconds. So you might need to ask for a little more help on these calculation problems, but I am here to help you. So let's actually take a look at some of the questions we will be doing. I think most of them deal with minutes, seconds. Yeah, so most of them, it is going to give you the conversion factor. Yes, so most of them, it does give you the conversion factor. If you get a conversion for the metric system, just remember it's powers of 10, and you can also look that up. That was in our metric prefixes section. So make sure you complete those questions and turn them into me.